Alright, this is a recorded flight. Essentially, I just want to check how the autopilot works. Because I think I at least need how do I hold the selected altitude. So, okay. I think I kind of get it. So let us prepare for launch. I mean takeoff. Takeoff. Currently we are at Clark. It's a very, very empty place. That busy. Maybe we'll do some rounds. So throttle up. We'll be using keyboard control. I think I've mastered the keyboard control at this point. Another experience for this plane model.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
Yeah.
Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear. Landing gear.
Yeah, right.
Landing gear. 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 Landing gear.
Yay.
Air Golf Sierra Alpha, you are leaving my airspace frequency change approved.
What's all the warnings? Oh. I don't know what that meant, but I think I should probably.
Clark Tower Dare Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha frequency change.
Yeah. Okay, so where's the engage autopilot button? Okay, so let's turn on. Then turn altitude mode. Hold. It should hold us at
Clark
least-
approach Dare Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha is type Dare TBM 92 miles south of Clark.
Now that kind of.
Request flight following.
I don't think this one has an automatic throttles. Can I reduce the power? Fuck it. I think that's how we do it. I wonder if we can increase the altitude. No, I went down.
Dare Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha Clark approach. Squawk 4427.
Alright, we should be descending now. Oh, sorry.
Squawk 4427 Dare Golf Sierra Alpha.
I've been in Clark, so I don't know if. Not sure if it's.
Dare Golf Sierra Alpha radar contact 5 miles south of Clark, 2,700 feet. Altimeter 29.92. Copy Dare Golf Sierra Alpha.
I think what if we do? Let me turn on the heading selector. Let's go to like 1718 something. I really don't get it. I want to reduce my alt. Fine, I'll do it myself.
Dayer Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Okay, I think I should turn off the autopilot now. Good. There we go. Alright, I'm manually flying the plane now. I'm gonna aim for that runway. I think let's go for left. Veer down.
Dayer Alpha Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra Alpha Clark approach. Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Oops. Up.
Cleared through Bravo airspace Dayer Golf Sierra Alpha.